A leafy green legacy, introducing spinach. This leafy green vegetable, known as palak in many parts of the world, boasts a rich history and impressive health benefits. Cultivated for over 2,000 years, spinach has journeyed across continents. It has earned its place as a nutritional powerhouse. Spinach is a versatile vegetable. It can be eaten raw or cooked. It adds flavor and nutrients to countless dishes. But its journey from ancient Persia to modern tables is a fascinating tale of cultural exchange and nutritional discovery. This essay will explore the captivating history of spinach. We will delve into its incredible health benefits. Join us as we uncover the wonders of this leafy green. From Persia to the plate. The journey of spinach. Spinach's story begins in ancient Persia. Historical records suggest that spinach was first cultivated in this region. From Persia, spinach began its global journey. Arab traders, recognizing its value, introduced spinach to the Mediterranean. By the 16th century, spinach had become a staple in Mediterranean cuisine. Its popularity spread rapidly throughout Europe. European explorers then carried spinach to the Americas. This marked the beginning of spinach cultivation in the New World. Today, spinach is enjoyed globally. It is a testament to the interconnectedness of food cultures. Its journey from ancient Persia to our modern tables highlights the power of food to transcend borders. Spinach in the West. A nutritional powerhouse emerges. This leafy green vegetable, often overlooked in its early days, has a fascinating history that spans centuries. The 19th and 20th centuries witnessed a surge in spinach's popularity in the West. It was during this period that spinach began to be recognized not just as a simple garden vegetable, but as a vital component of a balanced diet. This surge was fueled by a growing awareness of its nutritional value. Nutritionists and health advocates started to highlight the benefits of spinach, emphasizing its rich content of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron and calcium. Spinach, rich in essential vitamins and minerals, became a symbol of healthy eating. Its versatility in various dishes, from salads to soups, made it a favorite among health-conscious individuals. Doctors and nutritionists began advocating for its inclusion in diets. They recommended it for its potential to boost immunity, improve bone health, and even enhance skin quality. Popeye, the cartoon sailor whose strength increased after eating spinach, further cemented its image as a superfood. The character's immense popularity in the mid-20th century played a significant role in making spinach a household name. This newfound appreciation for spinach led to increased production and consumption. Farmers expanded their spinach crops, and it became a common sight in grocery stores and markets. Today it remains a dietary staple in many Western nations. Families incorporate it into their meals, enjoying its health benefits and delicious taste. Its journey from a relatively unknown vegetable to a nutritional star is a testament to the power of scientific discovery and cultural shifts. Spinach's rise to fame underscores the importance of nutrition education and the impact of media in shaping dietary habits. Vitamins and minerals. A closer look at spinach's bounty. Spinach is a nutritional powerhouse packed with an abundance of vitamins and minerals. This leafy green is not only versatile in the kitchen, but also offers a myriad of health benefits that make it a staple in many diets around the world. It is a rich source of vitamin K, crucial for blood clotting and bone health. Just 1 cup of raw spinach provides more than the daily recommended intake of this essential vitamin, making it an easy way to boost your nutrient intake. Spinach also boasts high levels of vitamin A, essential for vision and immune function. This vitamin helps maintain healthy skin and mucous membranes, and it plays a critical role in reducing the risk of chronic illnesses. Furthermore, spinach provides a significant amount of folate, vital for cell growth and DNA synthesis. Folate is particularly important for pregnant women as it supports fetal development and reduces the risk of birth defects. This leafy green is a good source of vitamin C, known for its antioxidant properties. Vitamin C helps protect the body against free radicals, supports the immune system, and enhances iron absorption from plant-based foods. Spinach also contains essential minerals that are vital for overall health and well-being. These include iron, magnesium, and potassium. Each of these minerals plays a unique role in maintaining bodily functions and promoting health. Iron is crucial for oxygen transport in the blood. It helps in the formation of hemoglobin, which carries oxygen from the lungs to the rest of the body, ensuring that cells receive the oxygen they need to function properly. Magnesium plays a vital role in muscle function and nerve transmission. It is involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including energy production and protein synthesis. Potassium is essential for maintaining fluid balance and blood pressure. It helps regulate the heartbeat and ensures proper muscle and nerve function, making it a key nutrient for cardiovascular health. Section 5. Visionary Greens, Spinach for Eye Health. Spinach is renowned for its positive impact on eye health. This leafy green is packed with essential nutrients that play a crucial role in maintaining and improving our vision. This is largely attributed to its high levels of lutein and zeaxanthin. These powerful antioxidants are found in abundance in spinach and are known to be highly beneficial for eye health. These carotenoids found in the retina act as antioxidants, protecting the eyes from harmful blue light. Blue light, which is emitted from digital screens and sunlight, can cause significant damage to the eyes over time. Studies suggest that consuming lutein and zeaxanthin may reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, often referred to as AMD. AMD is a condition that affects the central part of the retina, leading to vision loss. AMD is a leading cause of vision loss in older adults. By incorporating spinach into your diet, you can help protect your eyes from this debilitating condition. Spinach also contains vitamin A in the form of beta-carotene. Beta-carotene is another powerful antioxidant that is essential for maintaining good vision. Vitamin A is crucial for maintaining the health of the cornea. The cornea is the clear outer layer of the eye that helps to focus light and protect the inner structures of the eye. The cornea is the clear outer layer of the eye. It acts as a barrier against dirt, germs, and other particles that can harm the eye. Including spinach in your diet is a delicious way to support optimal eye health and potentially reduce the risk of age-related eye diseases. Whether you enjoy it in a fresh salad, a smoothie, or cooked in your favorite dishes, spinach is a versatile and nutritious addition to your meals. So make sure to add this leafy green to your diet and give your eyes the care they deserve. Section 6. Strong bones, strong body. Spinach's role in bone health. Spinach emerges as a champion for bone health, thanks to its impressive vitamin K and calcium content. Vitamin K plays a crucial role in bone metabolism. It activates proteins that bind calcium to bone, enhancing bone density and strength. Calcium, as widely known, is the building block of bones. Spinach provides a good source of dietary calcium, contributing to overall bone health. By incorporating spinach into your diet, you're providing your body with essential nutrients that support bone health. This can be particularly important for children and adolescents during bone development and for older adults at risk of osteoporosis. Section 7. The immune-boosting power of spinach. Spinach is a true immune-boosting superstar. It is packed with antioxidants, including vitamin C and beta-carotene. Antioxidants combat harmful free radicals in the body, protecting cells from damage and reducing inflammation. Spinach also contains vitamin A, which plays a crucial role in supporting the immune system. Vitamin A helps maintain the integrity of the skin and mucous membranes, which act as the body's first line of defense against pathogens. Furthermore, spinach provides a good source of folate, which is essential for the production and function of white blood cells. White blood cells are the body's immune cells, responsible for fighting off infection. Section 8. A healthy heart beats for spinach. Spinach deserves a place of honor on any heart-healthy menu. Its high nitrate content makes it a valuable ally in promoting cardiovascular health. Nitrates are compounds that convert to nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide is a vasodilator, meaning it relaxes and widens blood vessels. This widening allows for improved blood flow, reducing strain on the heart and lowering blood pressure. Spinach also provides potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure. Furthermore, its fiber content contributes to heart health by lowering cholesterol levels. Including spinach in your diet is a delicious way to nourish your heart and support overall cardiovascular well-being. Section 9. From salads to smoothies, enjoying spinach every day. Spinach's versatility is one of its greatest strengths. This leafy green can be enjoyed in countless ways, making it easy to incorporate into your daily diet. Add a handful of fresh spinach to salads for a boost of flavor and nutrients. Blend spinach into smoothies for a nutritious and refreshing treat. Sauté spinach with garlic and olive oil for a simple yet satisfying side dish. Spinach can also be added to soups, stews and pasta dishes. Get creative in the kitchen and explore different ways to enjoy this nutritional power.